Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one, I'm showing you guys how can you add a chat app to your WAP. So let's jump right into it now. First of all, open up WAP on your web browser. Make sure that you're logged in with your preferred profile as well. And now here from the left-hand side, I will head over to my WAP's dashboard just to show you how it looks. This is a completely fresh WAP, so um, make sure to be mindful of that as well. Now down here from this little menu, you will click on create your first post or application. So that will redirect you to a page that looks something like this. And from the home page, you will navigate on to chat here. And at the chat tab, you will click on add app or add application. What would you like to name the chat? Let's just call it chatbot and click on create. And there you go. Now you've successfully created first chat on your WAP or on your online store. You can configure the settings right here if you need it. And for chat messages, you will see it right here. So be the first to start a conversation. You can add as many chats as you want. You can name them. You can separate them into groups, etc., etc. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.